it's Jill. Welcome to Kids Baking Club tutorial videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thanks a Latte cookies using the Latte coffee cup cookie cutter. How cute is this? In your Happy Harvest box, you have this amazing Thanks a Latte step-by-step showing you how to make these cookies. But I'm going to show you in real time with a video as well. And back on the back, you'll see the different royal icing recipes, along with in your kit has a beautiful pumpkin spice cookies if you want to make those. But we always have sugar cookie recipes on the QR code that shows you different sugar cookie recipes that you can make. Now, when you're ready to make your cookies, you need to pick a design. Once you pick your design, then you know what colors to actually make. And of course, you don't have to make all of these colors. You have an array of different color gels, so get creative and have some fun. You're gonna turn a cookie into a beautiful design cookie that you can give to your friends or have at a party doing something fun. They make wonderful gifts for teachers and friends and neighbors, and just have fun with it. Now, one of the interesting things that I'm going to show you in this video tutorial is how to use paint using your food color gels. What you do is you take a clear extract like lemon extract, almond extract, you add whatever color that you're going to use, and then you mix it and then dip it into with the brush. And then, as you can see on these two cookies, it makes that beautiful gingham style on your cookies. And because it's an extract, it dries instantly. You have everything that you need in your kit, but now I'm going to show you how to go step by step to make your Thanks a Latte cookies. Let's get started. First, choose your design and make the colors that you need. Here I'm going to show you just two colors, orange and green, of course using some white. We're going to block out the first part of the cup by adding some orange, just a very long triangle right here, and filling it all in. You're going to let these two areas dry for about 10 to 15 minutes before you add in the white. Go ahead and fill this in. It's almost like coloring in a coloring book. Now, once it's dry, you're going to fill the rest of it all with white here at the top and then in the middle. And again, you're going to let this dry because we're going to use this white part right here to write a message. The message that I'm writing is boo, but you can write a name, you can write a phrase, you can even just do any type of design. You'll notice on your tutorial page that we have lots of different designs to choose from. And here I just put some orange on the top, and then I made orange on the top and then also on the sides. And there you have just an adorable latte cup cookie to give to friends and family or for a party. This one we're going to use some white for the top and for the bottom. And again, like the one before, we're going to let this dry before we add in. Now, the middle part, I chose to make a very light brown. So you'll notice here after it's all dry that I'm adding a very light brown in here because I'm going to use the gingham look using my paintbrush and paint using food color like I explained before. Let this all dry really, really well. Now you're going to add some clear extract and a color. I'm using orange. And then you need a paper towel because once you dip the brush in, you actually need. Now I showed you here some lines, how to go ahead and do it. And I'm doing it over again just to give it some more clarification. Dip it in, then dab a little bit so you don't have any runny food color gel. Now, using extract, what happens is this dries really fast. Isn't that beautiful how that looks? And here I'm doing a design. I'm using that light brown, and then I'm making a little pumpkin by making 3 little, what I call almost like little jelly bean looking. So one here in the middle, one on the side, and then I'm going to add some green for the top stem. And there you have it. And have fun decorating your cookies.